Hello, Dr. Neva here. How are you doing? You know what? This particular topic is actually requested, and I just love granting requests if possible, and definitely when it comes to storytelling and just sharing my experience with you, why not? Yeah? So, with this particular request, someone wanted me to speak. Now, hear me out. I've actually spoke on this before, but just to put it in more, give more context to it, or more content, given more content to it. Now, what am I referring to is the idea of, just because you are in a certain profession and you fall on hard times or semi-difficult times, you cannot revert to another job until the opportunity rises for you to get back to where you desire. So the particular, is a friend that requested this topic. She's she's very successful in her career in the medical profession. And she applied for a new job after many years working at the previous job. And let me just say, she's well paid. Now, the interview process and everything basically put her in a period where she had to be released from the other job and was not able to start the new job in time. And I believe it's like 2 months, could be 3 months, that she was in between, like unemployed, not gonna get any benefits. So what should she do between that time? She has to feed her children. She has responsibilities. She has bills. What is she going to do? Well, guess what? She did pretty much what someone else did the other day. And I'm sure you see the story roaming around online with, I believe his name is Young Jock. And she took a job at Uber, doing Uber Eats, and just trying to make an income during that period until she got back into actually a better position than the previous or original job that she had. Now, many of us have to do this at times, but what I don't understand is why individuals have to make fun or mock individuals as such. And she wanted me to talk about this a little bit more because it happens to our younger generation, where you graduated from university, or you didn't graduate and you have a decent job, or you being paid a certain amount. You might have lost your job, or you decide you're in the music industry, or you're in acting or whatever. You decide to be an entrepreneur, and money is not coming in for some reason, but you're still passionate about your creativity or your art. What do? Do you just sit back and wait for a big break, or do you get up off your bum and do something and ignore the critics? Your pride, if you're not careful, your pride can cripple you, right? So with I'm not caught up with pride, because pride don't pay the bills. I hope you heard me when I said that. Like, it's when, the people on the sideline who going like, ooh, I thought, he wanted to be, a musician. Ooh, I thought they were an entrepreneur. Look at it now. They ain't making no money, so they have to grab this job. And so what? So what? You have to feed yourself. You have to eat, right? Do what you gotta do. Life is a journey. You're not always going to have all the beauty and all the glamour and all the glitz. It's a real cycle. It's and for those who are in a self being entrepreneurs, or not necessarily entrepreneurs, but those that have big dreams, it's a hustle. And today you could be up, tomorrow you could be down, and you could go up again. But how you handle the in between, what really matters. And we also need to kind of speak to the younger generation on not letting pride get to them, and let them understand this is normal. Don't frown upon someone who is not in the position that you expect them to be at the time that you meet them. Don't mock them. We need to be more responsible and show people and show individuals the reality of life, right? Life is not a bed of roses. We'd love it to be, but it's not. All right? So guys, I would love to hear your feedback, and if you have another topic that you'd like to discuss, feel free, reach out to me in the comments section. All right? And that's it. Until next time, bye-bye.